TFC.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are logging out of the overworld and jumping into the kitchen. Biome for a legendary crafting challenge. We're not mining for diamonds today. We're crafting one of the most epic food items in the entire game. The rainbow on a stick. We've gathered all our resources, from redstone strawberries to golden pineapple blocks. This is an OP snack that will keep your hunger bar maxed out. Are you ready? Let's get crafting! Alright, first things first, we gotta prep our materials. We're just gonna wash away any bad vibes, get these resources super clean. You might need to team up with a high-level player for this part. Let's go! Now, let's set up our crafting table. Lay out your sticks. This is where the magic happens, people. Okay, time to start the build. We're putting the red block on first. That's a strawberry block. Just slide it on there. Nice. Now the orange block. And the yellow block. Now a green one. Poggers, look at that! The texture pack is looking insane! We need some lapis lazuli, so let's use these blueberries. And for the final enchantment, a purple grape block. Let's go! We did it! Check out this legendary item we just crafted. We should probably stack a few more of these for our survival world. For a pro gamer move, you can craft a potion of yumminess. Just get some yogurt and some honey blocks from a bee nest, and get your OP helper to mix it all together. Easy peasy, and achievement unlocked. Look at all that amazing loot. Our rainbow skewers are fully crafted and ready to go. Alright, time to see if this gives us any buffs. Oh yeah, that's a W for sure. Healthy eating is totally OP. Good G. Thank you for watching Game Face On. See ya!
TFC.